Alright guys, you remember the 78 Ford extended cab we were working on? Well, here she is. Cab is done. Now the owner's going to be bringing us the box next week, but we got the cab all done. Now again, he wasn't building no show truck. He's going to put his 10-foot overhead camper on it. He's going to go camping with it like he did back in the day with his family and have fun. There it is. Bruce got in there and did a good job doing the body work. Jared got in there after, did a beautiful job on painting it. And there's what you wind up with. Now the owner's going to put it all back together, not us. He's actually picking it up today. It's Friday here. And he's going to pick it up today and he's going to run it down to the glass shop now, and they're going to be putting the brand new front and back windows in it. Then from there he's going to take it home and he's going to do all the door glass and start getting his interior back together, and who knows from that point. It is the factory colors. Now some of these trucks, the roof would have been painted the same as the center section, but this one, as long as he's owned it, he didn't buy it new, but it always had the just the darker section in the center only. And he liked that. I tell you, trucks after trucks after trucks. That seems like that's what we're doing these days. But hey, work is work. No complaints there. The only biggest complaint out of trucks is they take up the most room in a shop, especially when they start to become this size. That is exactly why when he brought me this vehicle in, I asked him, because he lives close by, I said, can we just deal with the cab first and you bring me the box after? Because I said, by the time you get the cab done, you got to get it home, you got to put all the grill, the windows, and play with it. By the time you get all that done, I'll have the box ready to go then. That way there I'm not taking a lot of space up. So, and that worked out perfect for him. So there you are guys, 78 Ford, all finished. Heading home, or I should say heading to the glass shop. Okay. It's always a good time at Old Time. Thank you again for subscribing, and we will see you next time. Enjoy the spring showers. Unless you got sun, I got rain. See you later.